Hello everyone.
The families of ANC veterans rejected planned visits by former President Jacob Zuma and the MK party and said the stalwarts will not be used as pawns in political opportunism. On Wednesday, a poster was circulated announcing Zuma's campaign in Limpopo, which was scheduled to include visits to the burial sites of former Minister Collins Chabane and Peter Tambuza Malada in Shikundu village and Venda respectively. However, the families and foundations of the pair have distanced themselves from the visits and rejected any relationship with the recently formed MK party. The Collins Chabane Foundation criticized Zuma and his MK party for scoring graves, awakening resting souls, looking for votes, and resuscitating broken careers. The Chabane Foundation said it was Moses Mabhida, then Tambuza, and now it's Collins Chabane. When will it end? The foundation would like to make clear that Chabane's family, the Minga Royal House, and the foundation have not given the purported organization permission to visit the family graveyard where the late Chabane has been laid to rest. Chabane, who died in a car crash in 2015, served as a cabinet minister under Zuma. The family said the move was insensitive and trampling on the spirit of their loved son, brother, uncle, husband, and father. It went on to say that Chabane was not a coward. He enlisted as a soldier of Umkhonto weSizwe to fight for his land, country, and people without regard for personal harm or benefit. He made his views known without saying much. He lived and died as a member of the ANC. He was quiet and disciplined, committed and dependable. He was humble and hated self-promotion. The foundation said Chabane rejected careerism and selling out no matter how difficult the sacrifice. Let no one change his commitment to the liberation struggle, transformation of our country, and unity of the struggling people led by the Congress movement. His final resting place is a family property that is sacrosanct to the Mhinga clan. The family expects no one at their graveyard on the date. Let no one trample upon his soul and name for entrepreneurial political purposes. They expected the Congress movement led by the ANC and Umkhonto weSizwe military veterans to protect and honor Chabane's name and all the heroes of the struggle against the exploitation of sacrifices in pursuit of personal ambitions and division of the people. Malada's family said they noted the announcement with concern and said, "While we acknowledge the challenges our country faces, we emphasize Peter Tambuza was a committed member of the ANC and its military wing Umkhonto weSizwe and its deals. The Tambuza Foundation and the Malada family remain loyal to the ANC, and we refuse that the name and legacy of Commander Tambuza be abused to divide our beloved movement." The ANC. It said Tambuza always voted for the ANC. The foundation and the family have no right or wish to change his decision on his grave. Consistent with his legacy, we therefore call upon his comrades and broader community to rally behind the ANC during the upcoming elections. This is mischievous and a crude attempt to distort the true values of Tambuza and what he politically stood for throughout his life. The family and foundation want Zuma and his MK party to desist from political opportunism in honor of Tambuza's memory. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.